The diagram shows a square. It's two diagonals and two line segments. So we have the square. So two diagonals are these and two line segments are these. Okay, each of which connects the midpoints of the square. What fraction of the area of the square is shaded? So I think there are quite a few ways to do this. My method is a bit long as always and involves a bit of algebra. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to call it x, assume that half the length is x. So all of it will be x. So this is x. So the square will have side length 2x. Okay, so if the side length is 2x, then our objective is to find this bit. This area of this triangle is all what we are concerned about. So how will I do that? So I can find, now this is a right angle triangle. If I call it A, B, C and D, so ACD, so I know AD, I know CD, so AD, how AC I can find, so I can write AC square is equal to x square plus x square, that is 2x square. So AC would be root 2x. Now AB is half of AC, so AB would be root 2 out of 2x. Okay, that's 2. Okay, it's not clear, so root 2 out of 2x, that's AB. And once you know AB, so you know the base, you have to find what BD is. So BD you don't know yet, so BD can be found out if, like, the entire diagonal of the square, the whole length, so if this was like, I don't know, maybe M and D, so MD would be, MD is equal to, you can once again use Pythagoras, so it is 2x square plus, or MD square, plus 2x square, that is 4x square plus 4x square, that is 8x square. So MD would be root 8 times x, and we know that BD is 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of these are equal. We know BD is 1/4, by definition, or by the, by these from the question, they're all midpoints. So BD is 1/4 of MD. So BD is 1 out of 4 times root 8x, so that is root 8 out of 4x. So this root 8 I can write as 4 times 2, so 2 root 2, so I can say 2 root 2x out of 4, 2, also I can write that is root 2 out of 2x. So that is BD. So we know now the base and the height. So we can find the area of the shaded part. So the area of the shaded part would be half times base times height. So half times the base is AB, so root 2 out of 2x multiplied by height BD, that is root 2 out of 2x. So I would get as 1 out of 4x square. So I now know the area of the shaded part. Now I have to find what is the area of the shaded part, what fraction of the square is shaded. So as a fraction, I'd have to do area of the shaded part. So if I do shaded part divided by area of square, so then I would get the shaded part is x square out of 4 divided by the area of the square is 2x whole square. So that's 4x square. So that is equal to x square out of 4 multiplied by 1 out of 4x square. So that is equal to 1 out of 16th. So the fraction of the square that is shaded, that is equal to 1 out of 16.